Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to fix this error. The problem is I did post a video yesterday and I tried to show people how to do that. Most of people, they try to they were so angry and they say didn't fix anything. This error does not work in a day, but I'm gonna show you properly how to do it. I could not share my stuff on Facebook, and this is one of the videos whereby people talked much. Let me fix this error in the way that you understand well. Look, it doesn't sometimes happen the same way. You fix it, you wait for a day. So steps to do that. One of the reasons why I was getting that error, I could not share my content on YouTube. And also, if you watch this video, you can see this video, the first video I did, you could say that I could not do that, but now I can do that. But one of the errors were like this. I had two apps on my Facebook, then one of it, two of them, they were expired, so I could not, they were deactivated anyway by Facebook. So that triggered that thing whereby I could not access, I could not do anything like to post or share any content from my videos or from YouTube. So another guy said I can't even also share things on my music on YouTube. This is the guy who said, okay, so he said I can't post music from YouTube to Facebook. So that was in the video. I'm gonna put also this video in the description so that you understand. You watch that video, then you see what I'm talking about. I could not do that like the same guy, but now it's possible. So what did I do? This is what I did. Go to, and also in that video I did that. So one app, when it was allowed to, go to developers, okay. So one app, when it was allowed, was activated, then everything was fine. So clicked on my apps. After clicking on my apps, these two apps, this one is active, this one is not active. So I click on this one. This one is the one I fixed yesterday on that video. You can see this is the error it throws in for you. So what you do, you click restore. It says API access deactivated. You can see it was deactivated. So once you activate this, once this is fine, you see it's 100% running. So what you're gonna do, you click on activate. It throw in this basic settings, say you must provide a valid privacy policy. So what do? You say okay. In the basic settings, you click on, let me see, it should have basic settings. Okay, they need a privacy policy here. So what do you get here? So what you do, you write a privacy policy on your internet or on your on your website. So I'm gonna go to one of my website and say okay, okay, I'm on that website. Then I'm going to say / private policy, and okay, I'll activate that. So but it says page not found. I have to go somewhere to activate this. I'm gonna do that too because the website was switched off anyway. So let me do that quickly, then we proceed. I'm gonna do that for you, and I put in a private policy. I'm gonna say you see, getting that right, guys. Okay, so you need to have a private policy. You have to fill in all these documents to make that active. All this, please fill in all this, domain, app, whatever, all that you should put it in. So I'm gonna get something here. I can even use one of my websites. Instead of using that, I'm gonna use one of my websites, because that's gonna take us a lot of time and people won't be patient with me. So other things I'll fix them after. Domain, I might use this, and policy, I should find a policy here. Down here below should have a policy, something like that. Contact, whatever, policies and rules. Okay, let me get this. Single page, home, everything's messed up here. I'm gonna get here, and I can put this here. Let me put that. Let's say policy. Okay, it's okay. I'll put that, and in the URL, I'm gonna put that HTTPS. If you don't have SSL, please try to see your SSL if it's working. App domains, they don't allow anything which is terms domain. Okay, gonna be okay. That's all. Let's see which we save. If we save, it's gonna allow it. Okay, you can see this. Submit invalid policy. Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's fine. So what we're gonna do, we have to, this one has to go out now. Let me try to save. You see this URL there, but the policy is they reject it. So I'm gonna use home, because there's that page called home on the website. Okay, then save. Should accept it. Okay, you can see now it did accept this. This was accepted, that's why it went like that. So now let's try to activate. You say whatever policy URL. Okay, you must provide a valid privacy policy URL in order to. Okay, that's fine. I can still go to and create the policy what they want. One of the old websites, it had that. This is why we're gonna get into trouble, but anyway, let me try my best so that I get it. This is the website which had everything, so I'm gonna go there and try to do that. So we need to fill up this. They can see that this is not a real privacy policy. You can see. So okay, I've got another. Let me try something. Okay. Oh, okay. I can't create that, because if I don't create that, it's gonna be bad. This is one of the websites which were rejected by Facebook, that one. So I'm gonna create one now. Okay, let me see. Okay, It's not difficult to create a especially in WordPress. I'm trying to create it. I'm trying to log in here. Okay. It's gonna be developer. It's another website I have. I'm gonna use that and see if it's gonna work. Okay, let me use this and I see if it's gonna work. If it works, then we fine. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's allowed, but now let's see. Terms of whatever URL, private policy URL. We're gonna say save. Okay, once we're done with that, let's see if you switch it on. Okay guys, look, do that. Sometimes it takes time to do what, to look. It says still using Gmail, visit your developer settings to update your email. Okay, let's see that. Okay, takes us into that. They want us to update our email. Edit. Okay, on that and that we gonna use the same email here. Okay, still we're using the same email, no stress. Okay, 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 okay. Simple. When you're done, sometimes it gives you some problems on updating, but make sure you're done. You leave it like that. So when we go to these apps, we don't get any. Let's go let's do like this, because we did everything right. So let's go. Say developers, developer web. You can see once you don't see that, there's a message you're gonna see. We saw in the beginning. If you don't see it, just know that you can now paste into, you can share onto your Facebook. You click here, you click on that app. If it doesn't give you that red thing which it gave us yesterday, then just go and start posting. You can see it doesn't give us that. Do you understand? So you can wait, you can go and post. I'm gonna go post. I'm gonna even share this same video again on Facebook. No, yeah, and I say share, and I share on Facebook. Before I could not do that. I guess you who watched that video, you can witness that. Then I share. Look, it's done. But before it was not giving me that chance. So if you go to the Facebook wall, you can see that Facebook, and should go to the wall here. You can see on the wall the thing is posted. Okay guys, there are those I know who don't have any apps on Facebook. It's gonna give you, you see, this is what the message we could get, but it's fine now. Even if we refresh, we cannot get that message anymore. Okay, you can see that message is not there anymore, so which is good. So, and that is caused when you take longer to use your Facebook. So your Facebook pages and stuff. Guys, those who don't have apps, if you saw what I did, you have to create one app like this, you get me? So once you create that, don't think it's gonna work in just a few hours. It could take 24 hours. Sorry, even the steps I've done, it can take 24 hours to update Facebook, to update and start doing stuff. So this is what I did, so people could not understand that this thing doesn't work instantly. So now I've done another video whereby I can share my my Facebook my videos from YouTube to Facebook, and there is no stress on that. I'm gonna also link the video, the previous video, in the description below, so that you know what happened. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope this helps. If you did not understand, try to watch those two videos and see what's going on. So, but if it doesn't work, it won't work in the same day. It could work after 1 day or after 24 hours, because myself, I did that yesterday. It did not work until now when they updated everything. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.